It's the Restoration Christian Church RCC. We convention. Your media team. Oh, my background. Yeni. Into yeni media team no so kasana ya share. Say oh yeah RCC na say oh share ya. Maybe I went to me about convention. Oh share in live. Yeni your brother Gossin. On share your gadgets so. The whole Ghana, your national gadgets kind of thing. On share BBA so. Into yeni ni bebon come short one. Mr. Gossin. Nyamishra pa any wojuma pa odima RCC as a media team as a media member no but a football ben and our woman members because miss me a media person the challenges be even though say your boy home body but your challenges be brave until with the challenges now your experiences so far no from the members and BBA mono a football ben or woman members
Nyamishra mo nyina if it were me the Bema members ni say or say mama your work no easy mind ebi wɔ hɔ a sometimes twa program na obi nso de ne phone abɛsen na ɔno nso twa bi wo sɛ ɛba saa na yɛ work no ɛmflow yi nti ɛwɔ sɛ moma yɛ work no ɛyɛ easy my na afei nso ɛwɔ sɛ wo create moment my twa because sometimes no ɔmo complain say oh me hu me picture or page no so. But one of the creative moments am I cap and then I'm
yeah and see one of the creative moments now your media team try miss me the media back home oh ba asoria we mean say e bia oh hwe me oh nya ya sorry member ni media team e wo wa sorry ho they do the same thing oh kwa asoria dress neat say this a own picture and I won be say yen twa once a public place once we do on kwan the camera be to so into me pa chow say who call baby a camera be ye juma say nya asori kra na baby a dress neat say na be say camera go to so a enkwanya embarrassment we na me dey too fu say bi say wo ye pani wo ya kwala o dress neat to social gathering say na be a camera or shower woni beji say or shower yeah enti ye da ma say mo nyina maboa ye twa na mo hwe ye twa na se ma hwe a ye djuma ye course 90 yeah ye twa interview no so Restoration Christian Church ya be area convention Accra area e wo honi in the Kaswa district and then last day I did convention about we na ye ni ya ye members no e twetwe nkomo o hwe misa bekun say a medical team ni e na elder Edem yeah on say nani abre a o ye o show bi by person ni bon komo kakra na Edem okay o chire yi mama obi nti ye ni be bon komo na ya hwe omu media sorry medical team afibia be convention bia they come in their numbers to support they are also members of the church omuka sorry no and they do that voluntarily nobody pays them medical team ni they are also members of the church omuka sorry omu members every year bia conventional they do this voluntarily for the members and the church nobody pays them nti na mini Edem of Abeka assembly mini ni twetwe komo just 1 minute Edem.
Yes, sir, boss.
But Christ has will be encounter.
Amen. We encounter so.
Amen. Yeah, well, Easter Easter convention and then the last day. So far, medical team, they want some more juma. Inti, what is your motivation? Afibia your convention bia you come to do this to support us. Nobody pays you, but you do that. Adia your hospital ko to ask akoye. Muyama you free. What is your motivation?
That's it. Your motivation no, ye yama Yesu Kristo. Ye yama Nyankopon. Esan se nyame asem si, e wo se yesum nyame abrebia in season and off season. Inti no ye ba convention ne be sum nyame a, e wo se ye wo apomudin, spiritual strength and physical strength. So we have to be healthy physically to be able to serve God and worship God with strength as well. Inti no ye djuma ye no, eno na Nyankopon de adom ye se ye health workers. Inti ye ba e pese ye hwe se obi anso wo sa apomudin no. Uhu odin a usum nyame utu nnwom usa ubotweni a utwa camera kra usu betumi aye wudie nu apomudin mu ba se oba bi ye wo ya untimi nye enti no yenso ye hwe ha na fe ye nso no ne de mpaebo so ka ho enti we are looking at both spiritual health and physical health enti that is our motivation to help the children of God to live healthier and stronger and worship God well.
Okay, Afibia, Muza, Mochichendro, this year, Muza Mochiche folic acid. Yes, folic acid to every member. Yeah, but you free.
But you're free. You're free.
You're free from
Medical team now sponsor here.
Wow.
You move be hospitals. Into no, we had access to some of these medications. Until you buy say you bua, amobi anyebi. Emma we are it's free. It's sponsored by the medical team now.
Okay, inti say obi ehwe live stream no. Enye say omo di free omo hospitals beton one ma asori members eye free. Eye nru omo teacher ma ye free folic acid say na be ya ebeboa ye members no. Edai
Yes.
ye better was pa any mu team. Sister Becky, Sister Regina, any Bra Richard so nyame nhira mo nyina ne adwuma pa mo ye de aboa yen RCC Restoration Christian Church. But yourself from Abeka Assembly.
Mpacho yedamuso ase nyame nhira mo.
Amen.
Media team yedamase ne adwuma pa mo ye.
Amen.
Samuma obia amasan nyina ehu de yeye wa ha.
Amen.
Yedamase nyame nhira mo pa.
Amen.
Na musuma mi bo abaso. The best DJ in the whole of the country, best gospel DJ. Nyame nhira adwuma pa wo ye. Nyame nhira. Normal more awards.
Amen.
2027 more awards will come.
Amen. 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 You see, Obama Baso, Nene Aji say as a church member, met me Aji Abaso, but there will be a me ejuma. Nti wo so say wo tie me na wo hwe me a. Asore bi a wo kono, make your church proud. This is the head of the media, Anna, on the head of the medical team no.
I am my boss.
Ah, okay. Auntie Becky.
I'm the head of the team, but
Auntie Becky.
She's my boss.
Oh, okay. Boss lady, Auntie Becky. Pacho bibi aboko. Pacho bibi aboko. Bibi aboko. Pacho, efutu be na odi woma members and I will be all share as a media person. Hey, sorry, medical person.
Yeah, but so Obia fat na pomodin very serious because the whole here only apomodin and shemu say unti member only apomodia unti kopeska only apomodia unti jiweni aha nti apomodin de ho here Obia hye na pomodie fiti na rekoye ya te say chemicals bebre efa fe aduan nti no yenya hwe yiye wo ye aduan medie
Yenye ahwe yiye e wo ye aduan die mu aha no we no so Benjamin baby cry I had a special Restoration Christian Church RCC a medical enche obe hu ye hospital says you go yi afensu Auntie Becky from the medical team osa Tom Brown Tom Brown ye di ni nama no okay ni nama na that screen so no nti upe bia or ye delivery worldwide esa so ye head person nti onim ono na wa yo nti onim ni ebe hia wo ni pedua no and one makes it be there kama special Tom Brown pacho order freno baby will be open say who UK Canada in fa obe ship be abro very fine very special
pacho me say frame agata mensa me February assembly e wo ashaima
because this year convention like the way our person
oh this year convention there yankopon adom the way I hwehwe ne no ye nyanka ye sankai from beginning but at the middle of the program be pim ended there onyankopon wa ye ne ye hwehwe the program akoyi pa
and I yesu ase nti the moment me amba no this year especially emako and then I work and show
Niempesa me kan kire o mama ntumi amba na emekofo ne nyina se convention a ye ba ye no ye hu sisa ye bebre wo ya brabrom sanse o mosa ama ya hu se Kristo wa sorry wo ya ha ne ya mane nyina so eno nti mi show mo nyina nkran se o mama ntumi amba no 2026 mu me mpa bo say the next time I be san share bi mu no nyame hu nkoko na nkasa nka mo ho na ndum bom na ade kira ye kwansi di o ma fam o mu nyankopon yi nyina mfiri ho se na be ya free convention se nde a ya ti mo ahyem na ade ba ko so a ye manije ni se botaya ye di si ye ni se Kristo so ye nkotwi okra ma na hini die no ampa ye ba ha no nyankopon nam ye bi ni so ade ye na adwuma ne ye nyina ye dia enu ti se afi want to me anka ho a ese wo fa se wo se next year na se afi fufuro bi a ye be free convention no usu be ka wo se na be abota nyankopon e ma ye ba asase so no awie pe na da ye be hire wo soro no ye nyina ya hire se nyankopon ba amen
Miss me the elder ya onima ko me free Abeka assembly
That's important. But say, me who say this year convention, like who is saying, they we are expect to say any man kono a cosana.
Oh, this year convention I come. In fact, we do hano. Said the normal shisha canopy, and they said your man show me man prana AFA into this year convention. No, in fact, I saw many pa said your organizer or when your man who Nikrum has say.
Buy a Denny Adiba, who ya when you pass, I do it this year, my
Oh, me did say in Kunakra international kama. Elders no on cafe so be na nkonwa bi but this year nkonakra etina so no na comment ye da honifo asese o matoto niam ye e dia maye
na face o mo amount me amba this year and then I work at show
me gidi se obi a wa ma bia no wa hwe ade bebre abire bia no ti say ye conventional e wo say odi ho hye because ye wo hohu mu niam ne honam bebre ye hwe afesi essential nuanom om free assembly for bebre nti no obi a no ti say ye convention na menyu ho free next year your national convention mama ye nyina ye mra na megidi se be enhira bebre
na me hira bebre ne omre na me ne okodu wasonje
amen miss me damas
within the Stephen Kwabnaforia Manfo from Restoration Christian Church.
Damn patrol person bisa say this year convention like umi too expectations ana.
Oh yeah, a meeting the expectation. Team no ne bibia nhihye bibia e fine.
That's why I say damn patrol o mo want me about this year na then I work at show.
Well they hear they say the back at no say yenya area ana regional ana national ade bia ye bia na say obi ade na ho shape. San say in the first place nti na de ho hye mu a eboa madwumadi no koso na enya ho insura ena say wa man so a there are certain things that obe miss anka bekumi aboa wa brabom nti say wa miss sa na ma na nti say wo de dwumadi bi e block nyankopon dwumadi a insura se wonya no sanka
Dai patrol da sene omre nya me hira no odi ogodu wasonje next year na asanchia.
amen.
Mede Pastor Daniel Kinzu, the Free Winners Assembly, our Fiena.
Yeah, that's why I say that in patrol this year convention. Oh, one is saying the way our person your man calls in a cosana.
Oh, yes. In fact, Nioma Kosukra bro, my journeyment yes, yes. Nioma no, Yashishan, kama. In fact, member executives Nabaso. Said the name is to say your conventions at Hayeno, or Modin Sachra be abem. Na ahyem kran bebre enti no nyame ayadum nyame ayejuma bebre
After that patrol mo month me about this year convention then I work at show.
yeah meka chom say first of all no omo miss a lot omo miss a lot de na nka bia omo susu say eno na ebia etai sinti no omo ma no this is a very spectacular one until next time meka chom say mo miss any opportunity some may attend the regional conventions and national conventions.
Well, the other kind of you better nyamiasi say from Thursday, or the end of shimu wahano mama, ya beye convention, so nyamini. The met me can say, Oshe, Jumadia edia 2 years, name say, ya babeji, Accra, ama Yesu, no yet me by evangelism, any Accra be ama Yesu, and see. The aim of this year's convention has been achieved, and I'm very glad about that. And I will share your arrangements for this year convention. I think it's one of the best. Every year, RCC, you try to say you're improving in technology, in arrangements, in the way I mean, modern day church, say 1 year when year, it's hardly say the youth to embrace the service and all that. And I think this year everybody has been very fantastic, and I urge that we continue to do more so that we will be able to achieve more goals for Christ, more souls for Christ. Sorry.
Okay, that's your mom me especially youth for then I work at show.
Well, youth, my message to you that this year, Easter convention, I say your programs are here this year, you bet me because Easter convention, I very fantastic. na say mpaebɔ ne bibia no eba be encourage yɛ say yɛbɛyɛ programs at youth ni nyina especially o moment mi amma no programs bebree wɔ hɔ no ma yɛbɛyɛ ɛna oyi ani fi hɔ no mu so a yɛ calendar no mu no I'll be visiting a couple of churches. Everybody should be expecting me. I'll be coming around. Your programs are here from now going. Youth ni nyina fa ne ho hye me. Locals ni nyina no leaders no mesro said the organization from last year has been fantastic. They shouldn't stop. They should continue doing the same. All district leaders should also continue doing the same, so that we at the top will be able to have the correct data to be able to organize the needed programs to push the ministry forward. Obiara born in home de ba mesre say yenye ni more youth no me do nyina eti bo hwe benim say me ba besra mo ba mu koso eye adwumade na Yakopon e besra mo Yakopon sra no nya
okay that's it na o branya me fa won kodo asenje na